Good morning, students. We are on lesson 6, changes around us. In our last video, we learned about reversible change, and in this, we will learn about irreversible change. Now, what are irreversible change? An irreversible change is a change that you cannot undo. You cannot get back to the original state like you did in reversible change. For example, if you burn a book, you will get ash and smoke. You cannot get the book back. So whatever you do, no matter how much you try, but you will not get the book back. So this is irreversible change. Now there are some examples of irreversible change. Now the first example is blooming of flower. You cannot go back to the bud stage. This is irreversible. Now cooking of an egg is again irreversible. You can not get the raw egg back. Next is baking of a cake. It's again, you cannot get the ingredients back once the cake is baked. Now once the glass is broken, you cannot get the glass back. So it is irreversible change. Irreversible means not getting back the change in original form. Here again, tearing of paper. You cannot get the paper back once it is torn. Now, ripening of fruits is again irreversible change. Now, cutting of paper to make an aeroplane, again irreversible change. Now, making chapati from the dough. Now, once you get the chapati, you cannot get the dough back. So, this is irreversible change. Now, look at the small clipping here. Now, children, look over here. Milk to curd. This is irreversible change. Changes which cannot be reversed are called irreversible change, like milk to curd. Now here, glass, if it is broken, you cannot get the glass back. Then bud to a plant. You can see a baby plant to a plant you cannot get back. Then reduction of height in a candle. Now these are examples of both reversible and irreversible. Now try to find out which are reversible and which are irreversible. First we are going to see which are reversible, like balloon, expansion of balloon. You can get back the balloon back like this once the air comes out, so this is reversible. Now emptying water from a bottle is again an opening of door. These are reversible changes. Now irreversible are burning of matchstick, rusting of iron, you can see here, and bud to flower. These are all irreversible change. So I hope you have understood the difference between reversible and irreversible. Now children, open your book on page 48. You have to fill this table as well. Here you can see some common changes. Now here they are mixed, so you have to see which can be reversed and which cannot be reversed. Now raw egg to boiled egg. Can it be reversed? No. Batter to idli. Again, this cannot be reversed. Wet clothes to dry clothes. Yes, this can be reversed. You can make them wet again. Woolen yarn to knitted sweater. Again, yes, you can, when the yarn comes, you can pull the yarn and get the yarn back from the knitted sweater. Now, grain to a flour. No, once you have grinded the grain, you cannot get back the grain back from the flour. Then cold milk to hot milk. Yes, you can make the hot milk cold again and cold hot again. Now straight string to a coiled string. Again, yes, you can. It can be reversed. Now butter to flour. No. Milk to paneer. No. Cow dung to biogas. No. Stretch rubber band to its normal size. This is yes. Then ice cream to molten ice cream. This is again yes. This can be change. So the ones with yes are reversible change and the one with no are irreversible change. Do this neatly with pencil in your book. I hope you have understood. Read these pages. Thank you.